Hey beauties, it's Riri, and today's video is all about my Boxycharm for July. Alright beauties, before we dive in, please don't forget to thumbs up the video if you like what you see, subscribe down below if you have not yet, share this video out if you do enjoy my content, and turn on your post notifications so you'll get notified of future videos. If you are unfamiliar with the Boxycharm, this is the Boxycharm base box for July, and this is a subscription box that is $25 monthly, and you're guaranteed 5 full-size makeup, beauty, hair, skin type of products at a value of at least $125. So we are going to dive in. You guys know I do not get any spoilers. I will say it feels incredibly heavy, but it is teeny tiny. So yeah, we're gonna dive in. Right on top, you'll always get an informational card, and the theme is Boxycharm Fantasy, like the ocean. I'm going to put my hand on the back. On the back of the card gives us all of our pertinent information about everything that is in the box, and I will put this up close so you guys can see my version of my box. We're gonna put this to the side. It is packaged beautifully with some bubble wrap. It feels very heavy. First up, this is an Illamasqua Unveiled Artistry palette. I've only tried a couple things from Illamasqua, and they were all in like Boxy or Ipsy bags. So I do want to see what this looks like. I did only put on a base. I have nothing else on so that I could try out some product if we had stuff to try out. It feels heavy. I'm pretty excited to try it. Oh, it's beautiful. A deep mauve shade. I do like the shape of it. And, okay, well, it is quite neutral, but like very soft neutrals. It does have a mirror in it. It does fold all the way back, and in there is our color story. As excited as I am about this, and I would love to test it for you guys, honestly, I have so many palettes like this, and it is quite light and quite like soft neutrals, so I am going to go ahead and put this into my pay it forward pile that I have, but it's beautiful nonetheless, and I think it's a really beautiful product to have in the box. Next up is a Beauty Bakery Better Not Bitter Flour setting powder. That is super cute. If you're unfamiliar with Beauty Bakery, they are a Black-owned indie brand, and their theming is based around baking and baked goods and stuff like that, so that's super cool as well. Next up, I see a Mud Masky Vitamin Infused Eye Serum. Reduces dark circles, moisture boost, vitamin boost, feeding, nourishing, and firming. That is what that looks like. I'm probably honestly going to pass this along as well and put it in my pay it forward pile, just because I do have quite a few eye creams. I'm testing one from Influenster, and of course I just got an eye cream from the House of Eris, so I'm also going to pass this along, but I'm very intrigued, and so far I like the blend. We have a couple makeup products and a skincare product thus far. Next up, also heavy, so no wonder my box is so heavy this month. This is an Outre. It says 8-in-1 plus CBD multi-purpose nutrient mist and styling aid. Oh, okay, that's cool. I'm also not gonna hold on to this, only because, you know, chopped all my hair off. So I don't really need products like this right now. And if my hair happens to get a little bit dry from maybe being in the sun or being in the pool kind of a few days in a row, I just put a little bit of hair oil in it and I move along and call it a day. But I am, again, liking the mix of everything that's in here. And then last but not least is a Basic Beauty Lip Oil in the shade Summer. A little basic packaging. Kind of reminds me of Laura Lee. And it is literally just a standard lip oil and a standard component. I do really like that doe foot applicator. It looks really big, so I am at least going to try this. Y'all know I'm obsessed with lip oils, treatments, products. And even though I have a few open, I don't care because I use them up pretty quickly. Oh, it smells like coconut. Oh, yes. Oh, that's nice. Oh, I love the smell. It feels slightly, in my opinion, slightly more thick and a little bit more like sticky or tacky than most actual lip oils do. Not uncomfortable or anything, but I can definitely feel like there's a thickness to it. Okay, cool. So I'm going to get this out of the way and we will talk some deets. First up, we have our Illamasqua Unveiled Artistry Palette. Express your individuality with 12 highly pigmented powder eyeshadows in satin matte and metallic shimmer. Each one delivers a color intense finish, allowing you to create any number of unique of unique nude looks from natural everyday to the perfect smoky eye, and this is $50. I feel like based just upon like how it looks, how it feels, has like the nice soft matte touch, I would say that it was probably worth $50. I cannot attest to the quality of it. Next up, we have our Beauty Bakery Flour Setting Powder. This finely milled oat translucent flour setting powder allows you to set your concealer and foundation in place for a long day's wear. This colorless formula puts the oily face battle to rest. It will noticeably blur your pores and soften your complexion, leaving you with a beautiful matte finish, and this is $24. I'm probably going to pass this along as well. You guys know I'm a less is more beauty, especially when it comes to powder, because my skin is dry as the Sahara. So I'll pass that along. Next up is our Mud Masky Vitamin Infused Eye Serum. The delicate skin around the eyes is 10 times thinner than the skin on the rest of the face, making it the first place to exhibit signs of premature aging, such as dark circles and fine lines. This eye serum contains a blend of all-natural vitamin C, a superfood ingredient essential for firming the skin. With a refreshing and powerful antioxidant effect, the serum is ideal for all skin types, and it is $63. I will say though, most eye creams, eye serums that I've gotten are teeny tiny little vials. So, I mean, even though this is $63, you guys, that's a lot of product. So, I honestly may keep it. I don't know. I have so much skincare and I need to do a declutter badly. If you've tried this, let me know. Next up, we had our Outre, I'm sorry if I said that wrong, the 8-in-1 plus CBD leave-in conditioner. This leave-in conditioner packs 8 powerful benefits into one. It enhances body and manageability, detangles hair, fights frizz, protects hair from environmental damage, balances moisture, and adds nutrients to refresh the hair and add shine. And that is $30. I feel like that is kind of quite on par with more kind of higher end or more prestige hair care product. So I'm intrigued by that. I'm not going to keep it for myself. Maybe I'll see if Caleb wants it. And then last but certainly not least, you guys, we had the Basic Beauty the Summer Lip Oil, ready for a quick pamper session for your lips. This hydrating lip oil nourishes your lips from the inside out with coconut oil. I knew I smelled coconut. For effortless shine and instantly reduced appearance of lip lines. And it is $18. Do I feel like my lip lines are gone? No. Do I feel like it's really pretty? Yes. But I can definitely, again, it feels thicker than a kind of traditional lip oil feels to me. So I will add the total of everything and pop it right here. Overall, I think it is a well-curated box. I do like the fact that we got a palette, we got, you know, the setting powder and the lip oil, so more like makeup beauty products. We also got a skincare item and a hair care item. So overall, I really, really like the box. If I do decide to try the palette, most likely I won't. I will, of course, update you guys. I try to update you guys kind of as I test new product. But overall, I think it's a beautiful box. I definitely think it was worth my $25. I'm just sadly not going to keep much of the box. But you guys know that doesn't bother me. I like to pay things forward. So that is it, beauties. What did you get in your BoxyCharm box this month? Were you happy? Disappointed? Comment down below. Sound off down below. And that's it. I love you, beauties. Stay happy, healthy, and safe, and be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.